Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you make delicious cocktails at home. We'll start by exploring the essential tools you'll need to get started, then move on to fundamental techniques like shaking and stirring. Finally, we'll cover the key ingredients that form the backbone of many popular drinks, ensuring you can confidently craft your favorites right in your own kitchen. Let's dive in. Having the right equipment makes all the difference. You'll want a good cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, and a strainer to separate ice from your finished drink. Remember, shaking is best for cocktails containing citrus juices, cream, or eggs, as it aerates and thoroughly chills them. For spirit-forward drinks like a martini or old-fashioned, gentle stirring is preferred to maintain clarity and texture. Building a well-stocked bar doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with a few versatile spirits such as vodka, gin, rum, and whiskey. Freshly squeezed citrus juices like lemon and lime, along with homemade simple syrup, are absolute game changers for your mixers. Begin by mastering a few classic recipes, perhaps an old-fashioned or a refreshing margarita, to build your confidence and palate. To truly elevate your home bar, don't be afraid to experiment. Try making your own flavored simple syrups or infusing spirits for unique twists. Garnishes like fresh herbs or citrus peels not only add visual appeal but also enhance aromas. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to balancing flavors. And hey, while you're perfecting your drinks, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.